Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Fester here. Welcome to Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series, issue 31 folks. Yes, issue 31 already. And this is bought by the wonderful folks over at Fanhome. Now if you want to grab this, head over to this link here. Head over to the Fanhome website and take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale Batmobile. You will not be disappointed, folks. Right, let's have a quick looky-loo what we got. This is the TV show, Death in Slow Motion. There's the Riddler there, looking rather sinister. Great Batman comics, Bong to Kill. You've then got Year by Year, Batman 66 there, part 2. Detective series comics there with Batman in. And then obviously our car parts we got. In this phase, we built the axle around the rear housing there. We got a rear axle side, a cover, and some AM and AP screws. And this is how we're putting this all together. So we'll need the axle parts we used last time, including the front with the slip yoke in. And we're going to be assembling this rear axle to this stage today. So that's what you should end up with at the end of this issue, folks. Okay? So let's just flip the old instructions over. Drop them at the rear there, and then we can start putting this together. So we had this from last time, as well as the slip yoke, so we need them. And today we've got the front section, we've got a cover, and we've got some AM and AP screws, okay? So we'll just pop them to one side. I tend to keep the bag next to the appropriate screw whilst I'm using them. And then when I'm done with these all go in a big screw box that I keep all labelled up and everything, so that if ever you do need another screw, you can quickly go in and grab some. Okay, so there you go. Right. Let's grab the first section. So we want this, and we want this, and we want AM screws. So we want a pair of those over here. And we'll pop a little bit of oil in and get them done as well. Little drop on the end there. And then we just line this up appropriately, like so. In situ, just like that. Okay? So you've got a notch that this comes through, so it can only go to one way. And then put the screws in, just like that. There you go. That's one half in, and then we want to do the same with the other half there. So let's just swap it, put the bigger one in, and get a bit more purchase on that. There you go. And do the same in there. And that is going to finish off this little axle nicely then. There you go. Come around the other end there, just retighten that one. There you go. So that gives you that. Look at that. We now want a pair of AP screws, which are just here. Let's grab them. Bring in the part from the previous issue. A little bit of oil on the end of that screw. Like so. And then we want to grab the axle with the pegs facing downwards, these, facing that way, so that we can then bring this section in and fit that in place, okay? So it can only go that way round, folks. So we just want to make sure I'm orientating her correctly, which it looks like I am. Just line the holes up. I don't think it will go the other way because the holes will be in the wrong way. So let's just quickly line her up like that. There it is. And then put the screw in place just in that recess there, like that. Bosh. And then bring that one round just like so. Pop her in place in the opposing corner there. There you go. And then push the cover in its appropriate place, just like that, with the pins down. You want this little bolt to this side. You've got two little pegs that just press into situ like so. And then just press them home like that. And that is that in place, folks. So that's going to give you your rear axle section, just like this. Okay. So that's that issue done, folks. So if you'd like to grab one of these for yourself, head over to the Fanhome website by following this link all the way along there. It's also in the description below. Also, to help me out, you can just click little festikins just there and subscribe to my channel. That will really help me grow my YouTube channel. Makes my day, it really does. And ring the bell whilst you're there to get notified of future video releases, folks. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. See you next time. Bye-bye.